Have you ever been told that you should stop taking care of everyone? Have you been told to speed up because you get paralyzed trying to make everyone happy and don't know where to even start? Well, you probably are earthly, but let's find out. Hey guys, I'm Jannik from ℹWhat, and today we're going to talk about the key characteristics of the earthly type. But hold on. You're not just one personality. In ℹWhat, we talk about 6 different personality types. We call them elements. But we also talk about you're a mix of all the different elements, all the different personality types. We're just different combinations, different percentages of each personality. But not only that, in different moments we step into certain personalities more than other moments. So what we try to explore in this particular video is what's your biological essence, which personalities really dominate and are easiest for you to operate in, and in fact can have a regenerative effect, can really recharge your battery when you operate in them. Is the earthly type one of your dominant elements? Let's see if you relate with any of the following characteristics. The earthly type is the most introverted of the ambiverts. That doesn't mean they're fully introverted, nor does it mean they're fully extroverted. They're middle energy. But for them, what's most important is harmony, is relaxation, it's comfort, it's making sure that everyone around them are happy and comfortable, and they themselves also are happy and comfortable. So that's why they are a very nurturing, caring personality. And if they're surrounded by people who are really stressed, very tense, very intense, it can be really hard for them because their instinct is to fix the problem, help them relax, help solve their problems. But if the people around an earthly person aren't willing to relax, aren't willing to solve problems, aren't willing to seek harmony, it can be really tough. It can be very draining because an anxiety kicks in, an anxiety and a very strong need to fix things and take care of people and nurture people and solve everything. It's such a strong instinct. Now, with earthly people, they're likely to put other people first to an extreme degree, meaning in relationships and in family situations, they will always focus on making sure everyone is happy. This means that sometimes they don't express what they truly desire, what they truly need, and really postpone their own needs. Sometimes years, sometimes for a lifetime, they go putting other people first. And while it can be very nice to put other people first in some situations, if we don't take care of ourselves, if we aren't kind to ourselves, we have less to give. And one thing we tell a lot of earthly people is, remember what they tell you in an airplane? First put the oxygen mask on yourself and then the people you're taking care of. Well, this is very good advice for all the different personalities, but it's especially important to talk about this with earthly people because they really feel guilty when they do things for themselves. They really have a hard time being selfish. Also, if you've noticed a certain person always see the best in others, always forgive people very fast, always be empathetic with other people, even when they act in not so kind ways, they probably are earthly. Another thing you might notice is earthly people, they're fantastic nest builders. I mean, they build nests for themselves, they build nests for everyone around them. They really want to make sure that everyone is comfortable. You know, if you walk into a room and there's an earthly person, it's very likely that they're gonna be checking if you're comfortable. They might bring you a pillow, they might bring you a blanket, they might ask how the temperature is, they might ask you if you need something to drink. They want to make sure that you're comfortable, and once you're comfortable and everyone else is comfortable, then they can build their own nest. One thing to keep in mind with earthly people is they really are generous. They really love to give. They really love to support people, and it's in their DNA. It's part of their being. So learn to receive from them, but very importantly, learn to express gratitude and happiness, because for them, when they give and they see the other person receive and express some level of gratitude or happiness, it's very powerful. It instills a lot of happiness, a lot of peace in that person. They are people pleasers. It's really part of their being. But if they give and they don't see happiness or they don't see gratitude as a result of their actions, it can be really hard for them. It can really be devastating for them because they really care. They genuinely care. So, does this sound like you or somebody you know? If so, please let us know in the comments below. And next up is a video about the Airy type. The Airy type is a very mysterious, introverted type of personality, and they are brilliant minds. They really observe and analyze everything, and they really are worth exploring, so please go check out that video.